night, good morning, anywhere you're watching me from. Right now, I'm on the street of Abuja, somewhere in Utako. This is my first time of coming to this place. If I have money, this is a sweet hotel. So, Abuja is a nice, lovely looking, good place. And things you can find in Abuja commonly, suya. That's chicken. If you're hungry, you should come and test and see. So this is Utako, the other beautiful part of our great city, Abuja. What's in the Okay. So, you're welcome to my live stream. Everywhere is quiet. I'm looking for a tricycle which would take me to my destination. I don't want to use cab because cab is kind of expensive. Kind of gonna work possibly you on taxi.
Color combination is yellow, red.
No one is following me. Another. So, we're on the street of Abuja. Okay. So, beautiful street of Abuja. Everywhere is quiet, calm, but I'm looking for a tricycle, so that's why I'm trekking, so that you guys can follow this journey with me. And I'm going to where they are doing what they call it, ironing marathon. So I'm going to where they're doing ironing marathon, and from there you see what we're doing. So I'm the one behind the voice. Look at Keke now. Look at Keke. Jabi.
ShopRite, Jabi.
ShopRite. So I'm going to enter this tricycle. How much? Yes. Okay. No. And drop her now. No, wahala. No, wahala. That's my pilot. This is me going on the journey. So Abuja is clean. Abuja is clean. Share this video, comment, like, and say something. So this tricycle is the cheapest transportation here in Abuja. When you don't have enough money, it's better to use the tricycle, and that's what I'm doing. Um, when you use your tricycle, you save enough money. So, like me, where I'm going is a bit far. But guess how much I'm spending? About 50 cents, not even up to $1. So, but if you want to use cab or taxi, you spend a lot of money, man. But with this, you spend less. My friend, how far now? What be your name?
My name is Sabada.
Sabah
Abubakar.
Abubakar. How is the work now?
Fine.
So, how long have you been driving around this area? For how long? For how many years?
Me,
Uh,
down past 7 years.
you don't be landlord though.
Down past 7 years.
Yeah. Wow.
This area where
So that's to say you don't stay here make money plenty.
for here, man.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
that's good though. But the place is peaceful, Abi. Jabi and Utako. Utako. So now my first time of coming here be this. So my first time of coming here is this part of Abuja.
My own side.
No, I came from Benue.
Okay, good.
So that's why we'll collect your number now. So that anytime we are going back, we'll call you. Don't worry. So we'll call. So this is a beautiful place. Abuja is beautiful. Abubakar. So our great city of Abuja. Well, like I said, this is Utako, and from here we are going to Jabi. So, like, this is my first time of coming to this place, and it looks good. It looks peaceful. I'll soon reach my destination. I'm going to where I'm covering a marathon, ironing marathon, and there is where a guy he wants to break the record. He's going to iron for 5 days, about 115 hours. And if you have the strength, you can do it. So thank you guys for joining. We are still here.
let me show myself. I'm the man behind the voice. And I'm enjoying this tricycle. It's okay and it's safe and it's cheap. Sometimes you spend a lot of money. You want to use boats, Uber, and all those stuff. Sorry about that. The boat. All right. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you later now. What's the bigger? So we are going to the shop, right? So when I go inside, I'll be able to. I will miss the music, the audio because of copyright sounds, you know. So that is a challenge. This is Jabi Lake Mall. That's where I'm going. What else, sir? So this is Jabi Lake Mall. Shop right. It should be a place where they call shop left. You can only be shopping the right. Okay, you must shop in the right way. Don't shop left. So guys, welcome to Abuja. Jabi Lake Mall. And I have shop right here. Beautiful place. If you're in Abuja, I think you should visit this place. The space where you park your cars and do all of that. Okay, let me show you around. This video is not about me, but it's all about this place or the places I'm seeing here that I want to share with you guys. So this is the mall. Can you see? Beautiful places. Domino's. If you can look there, can you see that? Jabi Lake Mall. Can you see it? Jabi Lake Mall. Can you see that? And it's written here too. Jabi Lake Mall. A beautiful place to be. I want to use this stick. Shenega. Okay. Shenki school soap the coconut na ha. Open na. Shenki soap okay. Also benigi. Na. So. Before we head out, go away. Ki na be ida doku yega. Alwan pure water boy yamo.
Bermuda
Umam.
going down.
Umam gele. Umashime gbashime. Yeah. That was my hair. So I don't want to use the other side, so let me use this place. Sometimes it's good to match the stairs so that you will feel your body. Jabi is peaceful and the security here is tight. And you can see security everywhere. You have security everywhere. That's anything in your hair. See him, Hannah. Let's follow here. What else? Yeah, I'm in the mall now. Jabi Lake. It's a beautiful place. So this is where I have to say bye-bye to everybody watching this video, because the music